In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Maps Street View. If you've ever wondered what a place actually looks like at ground level before you go, Street View is your best friend. It lets you explore real streets, landmarks, and neighborhoods as if you were standing there, which is perfect for planning trips, meeting points, or just satisfying your curiosity. Start on your PC by opening Google Maps in a modern web browser. You don't need any special software, and signing in isn't required for Street View. Once the map loads, you're ready to search. Type the location you want to explore into the search bar at the top. This could be a full address, a city, a landmark, or even the name of a business. As you type, you'll see suggestions appear below. Pick one or press enter to jump straight to the spot. The map will center on that place and drop a marker so you know exactly where you are. Now look for the pegman, the small yellow figure in the bottom right corner of the map. Click and hold pegman, then drag it onto the map. As you do, you'll notice blue lines and dots appear. Blue lines indicate streets with Street View coverage, while blue dots can mark panoramas like parks, trails, or points of interest. If you don't see any blue, there may not be Street View available in that area. Drop pegman onto a blue line or dot to enter Street View. You'll instantly switch to street-level imagery. The scene will feel like a 360-degree photosphere, centered on the spot where you dropped pegman. Take a moment to get oriented. You'll usually see the location name or road label, and you might notice a small compass that shows your direction. To look around, click and drag on the image. This lets you pan left, right, up, and down so you can examine buildings, signs, or intersections. A slow, steady drag gives you the most control and helps you keep track of landmarks. To actually move along the street, use the on-screen arrows that appear on the road. Click the forward arrow to travel ahead, the backward arrow to retrace your path, and the curved arrows near intersections to turn onto another street. If you prefer, your keyboard's arrow keys can also nudge you forward, back, or pivot your view for quick adjustments. If you ever feel lost, drag pegman again to see coverage, or press your browser's back button to return to the standard map. That's all you need to explore the world with Google Maps Street View, confidently and clearly.